I'm hiding. That's way up there.
Yeah.
Well, here's what all that ruckus was about. It's just me, it's just look foggy on that lens. Anyways. Probably just saw tree company came out and took my big tree down. I have a huge mess to clean up. I guess this is what you get when you want to do it cheap and clean it up yourself. Holy cow. Got about 6 to 8 feet of stump there. See if I can hike across all this stuff. Let's see just how big all these branches and stuff is. Oh, jeez. See how big that guy is. Here, let me put my hand on it. Oh, God. That's a big tree. Can't even walk across this stuff. Oh. So I got big wood. Here's where they sawed off the big branch off there, this split. I don't know what you call this stuff. They cut my tree down. I made a big mess. That's a big log. That's a big stump. There you go. For comparison, see how big it is? This would be the biggest part. That's what came off the top. That's what was left when they knocked it over. Now that you're probably sick seeing me walk around with this camera, jeez, that took me only about 6 hours. That was pretty quick, actually. They're pretty good at what they do. So I gotta get the tractor over here and push all this stuff off to the side of the road at least, so that I can use the driveway. I don't know when I'm gonna actually be able to get out here and start really cleaning and getting it cleaned up, but it's gonna be a while. Kind of weird, actually. Here, it really opened up everything here. I'm used to this side of the house being so dark, having that tree. You know, it was like that, just solid all the way across up to the edge of the house, pretty much. But it's just, I can see sky over here. It's kind of weird. I don't know if you can tell. This front row of trees along here goes underneath the power lines, not the ones back here. Just these ones. These are coming down too. Hopefully the power company's cutting those down for me. They're supposed to, since they're underneath their power lines. Kind of lose a lot of my privacy and whatnot, but it really opens the place up, and don't have to worry about cleaning out gutters so much, and don't have to worry about tree branches falling on the house or trees falling on the house. Figure later this summer I'll call a company, or I'll call them back out, and they said they'll cut these 2 trees down for me. Same price as cutting that one. They want to do it. They're kind of excited. He likes doing what they do, so that's pretty cool.